Miss me! Tag! Oh, your turn, Grunty. Tag! Nelly! Oh, you're too fast. Oh, slow down. Oh, Miffy! You were close that time. Oh. I give up. Are you okay, Grunty? It's too sunny to run around today. Well, what would you like to play? Skipping? Hopping? That's even worse than running. I know. I've got the perfect thing. Come on, where are we going? You'll see. Are you all right in there, Miffy? I'm fine. Trying to find something. What's that? A paddling pool. Whoa! Perfect for cooling down on a hot day. Good thinking, Miffy. Now, we just need to fill it up. Okay, you point the hose at the pool and I'll turn on the tap. Okay. Here comes the water. Ready, Miffy? Thunder! Careful, Grunty. Run! It's okay, Hide! Grunty. It's only a summer thunderstorm. I don't care! It's scary! Thunder won't hurt you, Grunty. It's just noisy. Oh! Wait for me! Grunty! Grunty! I'm down here. Oh, there you are. Are you scared of thunder, Miffy? Do you want to come in too? No, there's nothing to be scared of, Grunty. We're safe inside. Thunder's only noisy clouds. Noisy clouds? Why don't we play inside for a bit? We'll be too busy having fun to notice the silly old thunder. If you're sure. Of course I am. Come on, I'll find a game we can play. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like fun. It is. My go. 6. Yes. Ah! Sorry, Miffy. Never mind. Sometimes something to eat calms me down. Thanks, Miffy. Ah! That was noisier than ever. Quick, hide. Grunty, you can't stay under the table all day. Yes, I can. The thunder won't get me down here. The thunder's not going to get you anyway, Grunty. It's just noisy. But it's so loud. Maybe. But I can be louder. Listen. Ah! Silly old thunder, I'm not scared of you. Silly old thunder, I can be noisy too. Boom, boom, boom! I'm not scared of you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm louder than you. You were louder than the thunder. Told you. That rhyme is funny. Let's sing it together next time the thunder comes. Okay. Here it comes. Ready? Silly old thunder, I'm not scared of you. Silly old thunder, I can be noisy too. Boom, boom, boom! I'm not scared of you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm louder than you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm not scared of you. Boom, boom, boom! I'm louder than you. Oh, look, Miffy. I think it heard us. We scared the thunder away. You're right, Grunty. We did! Silly old Thunder. You can't hurt me. Shall we go out and play in the paddling pool now? Yes, please. You turn the tap on and I'll point the hose. Okay. Miffy, come and look. The paddling pool has filled itself up. No, the thunderstorm filled it for us. Really? You see, thunderstorms can be good too. Thank you, Mr. Thunderstorm. Thunder isn't anything to be scared of, Grunty. As long as you stay out of the rain. Yes, I wouldn't want to get wet. Oh, Grunty! I love thunderstorms. Whee! Me too.
That was close, but you need to get the hoop over the peg to win a prize. Have another try. Oh, hoopla!
I did it!
You did, and here's your prize.
Thanks, Aunt Alice.
Oh, you're welcome.
Nice balloon, Miffy.
Thanks, Boris. I just won it.
I might try and win one too.
Oh, no, you don't. You promised me a bun from Poppy's refreshment stall.
Oh, so I did. The balloon will have to wait. You coming, Miffy?
Yes, I said I'd meet Mummy there. Look, Mummy. I won a balloon.
Oh, well done, Miffy. Come on, I'm feeling peckish.
Bye.
Bye, Miffy.
Let's have a little sit down.
I don't need a little sit down, Mummy. I've got loads of energy. Can I go and tell Poppy what you'd like to eat?
That would be very helpful, Miffy. I'd like a lettuce sandwich, please.
Okay. Hello, Poppy.
Oh, hello, Miffy. Isn't the fete busy? So many customers. How can I help you?
Mummy would like a lettuce sandwich, please.
Right you are, Miffy. But it'll take a while. I'm way behind. I haven't even taken the orders from the other tables yet.
I can do that if you like.
Would you? That would be a great help.
Of course. It will be fun being a waitress. Good afternoon. My name is Miffy, and I'm your waitress today.
Hello, Miffy.
Hi, Miffy. What would you like to order?
I'd like some apple juice, please.
And I'd like a bun, please, Miffy.
Right away. Good afternoon, miss. I'm being a waitress. What would you like to order?
A slice of cake, please.
Coming right up.
Hold on a moment, Miffy. I'm just finishing your mummy's sandwich. There.
Thank you, Poppy. Your sandwich, madam.
Thank you, Miffy.
Right, I'm ready now. What did everyone order?
I can't remember.
Oh, can you remember any of it?
Someone wanted apple juice. I think Boris wanted a bun. Oh no, that's wrong. Oh no, I forgot everything. I'm a bad waitress.
You're not a bad waitress, Miffy.
I'm not?
No, you took Mummy her sandwich, didn't you?
Yes.
And look, she's enjoying it.
Yes.
And soon everyone else will be enjoying their food. You just need to double check what they'd like.
You're right. Thanks, Poppy. I'm sorry, Boris and Barbara. Could you remind me what you ordered, please?
No problem. I wanted some apple juice.
And I wanted a bun.
Thank you. Hello, teacher. What did you want to order again? I'm afraid I forgot.
A slice of cake, please, Miffy. Why don't you make up a rhyme to remind you who wants what?
Oh, Good idea. Boris wants some apple juice. Barbara wants a bun. Teacher wants a slice of cake. Waitressing is fun.
Very good, Miffy.
Boris wants some apple juice. Barbara wants a bun. Teacher wants a slice of cake. Waitressing is fun.
Did you get the orders, Miffy?
Boris wants some apple juice.
Oh, yes.
Barbara wants a bun.
Oh, super.
Teacher wants a slice of cake. Waitressing is fun.
Oh, perfect. And very poetic too. I'll get straight to work. 1 apple juice, 1 bun, and 1 slice of cake. There, it's all ready. Now, can you remember who's getting what? The juice is...
It's all right, Poppy. I remember. Boris wants some apple juice. Barbara wants a bun. Teacher wants a slice of cake. Waitressing is fun.
Oh, but you've forgotten the most important customer of all.
Oh, no. I forgot someone again. But who? Who have I forgotten?
You, of course.
Oh.
Can I give you something nice to say thank you for helping me get so many happy customers?
Oh, yes. I'd love a slice of cake, please.
Coming right up. You've done enough waitressing for one day. This time, I'm going to be your waitress.
I thought you didn't need a little sit-down, Miffy.
I do now. Waitressing is fun, but it's hard work.
Yes, it is.
Thanks, Poppy.
Ooh, yummy.
This one. This one. Look, Miffy. A big strawberry. They look juicy. Look! What is it? Ooh. It's a snail. Look how slowly it moves. Like this. Me too.
Oh, my. What's happened to my 2 strawberry pickers?
We're pretending to be snails. We found a real snail. I know. Let's call him Sammy.
Well, that's a lovely name for a snail, Miffy, but I'm afraid Sammy can't stay here.
Oh, why not?
Because he's a snail, and snails eat plants. He could eat all my strawberries.
Oh, no! What if I move him away from the strawberries?
Well, OK, but make sure you take him far away.
I will. There. Look, Sammy, you can have your very own tree. There. Bye, Sammy. I'll be back to see you later. Bye, Sammy. There. My basket is all full up. Mine too. Wait till Mummy and Daddy see how many strawberries I've picked. Thanks, Poppy. Bye.
Bye-bye, Miffy.
Sammy? Where are you? He's gone.
Maybe he's round the other side.
Good idea. Sammy, where are you? Sammy, there you are. He wants to come home with me. Off we go, Sammy.
Are you sure that's a good idea, Miffy?
Yes, Mummy always lets me bring friends home. Mummy, I picked all these strawberries.
Lovely.
And I have a new friend.
Oh, a snail. Ugh.
His name is Sammy.
That's nice, Miffy. But you'll have to take him outside.
Oh.
Please, Miffy, go and put him in the garden. Then we can have strawberries for dinner.
Strawberries. Okay, come on, Sammy. You can live out here, Sammy.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. Now, shall we set the table?
Okay. 1 plate for Daddy. 1 plate for Mummy. 1 plate for me. Some strawberries for Daddy. Some for Mummy. And some for me. Oh, there's one left.
So there is.
I know. Sammy, I've got a strawberry for your dinner. Oh, Sammy, where have you gone?
Hello, Miffy.
Daddy, we're having strawberries for dinner. I picked them myself.
Oh, I'm sure they'll be yummy then. These strawberries look and smell delicious. A snail!
It's Sammy! He wants to eat his dinner with us.
I told you to take that snail outside, Miffy.
But I did. He came back all by himself.
Miffy?
Oh, I'll take him outside again.
Well, I don't want him coming back. He knows the way in now.
I have an idea. You and me can find a nice place for Sammy to live.
Good idea, and I'll stay right here. Ugh.
Come on, Miffy.
Not so fast, Daddy. Snails like to go slowly.
Oh! Okay, then. Oh, this looks like a nice spot.
I'm not sure. No, not here. Too many birds. They'll eat Sammy. There. Whee! Ooh. Whee! Coming through. Sammy doesn't like it here either. He doesn't want to get squashed.
Miffy, we can't walk around forever. What does Sammy like?
Well, he likes plants with strawberries and leaves. And maybe plants with flowers too. I'm sure you'll be very happy here, Sammy. But I'll miss you.
There we go.
A present for Sammy? Thank you, Daddy. He's made friends already. Look how hungry they are.
I'm hungry too. Let's go home before Mummy eats all the strawberries, hey? Oh, do you think we should go slow like snails?
No. Let's go really, really fast.
Oh, right. Wait for me.
Hi, Miffy. Where are you going? Hi, Grunty. I'm off to the library. Oh, can I come? I'm hungry. Grunty, there's no food at the library. No, but I can get a book about making cakes. Yummy. Come on, then. Hello, Aunt Alice. What are you doing in the library?
Hello, dear. I'm helping out today. I'm being a librarian.
Oh. I'm here to return my book.
Thank you.
Oh, hello, girls.
Hello, Boris.
I'll have these, please, Alice.
Yes, of course.
Ooh. Can I be a librarian too? And me.
Of course. Always happy to have some help.
My turn.
Well and truly stamped. Thanks very much. Bye.
Bye, Boris. Ooh. Is one of these books about cake?
Oh, no, Grunty. But I'm sure I can find you one.
Yes.
And what are you looking for, Miffy?
A book about tennis, please.
Well, I need to take these back to the children's shelves. Come with me and we can find your books at the same time.
Yay!
Hello, Alice. Hello, girls.
Hello, Miss.
Hold on a moment, girls. I'd better go and stamp your teacher's books.
Why don't we take these books back for you, Aunt Alice?
Oh, that would be very helpful.
Okay. Oh, but where did they go?
Oh, it's simple. The covers will show you where to put them. What a lot of books you have. I never have time to read myself.
Right. Aunt Alice said the covers would show us where to put them. This one's about looking at the stars. That means it goes up high, like the stars. There! Here you go. There! Now let's do another. This one's about flowers. Look! Oh! The flower book must go next to that flower. Yes! Or next to that one. Oh! I know. Now it's next to both flowers, so it must be right. What's the next book, Grunty? It's about swimming. But there's no swimming pool in the library. No, but there is water. Grunty, wait! We can't put the book in the fish tank. Your aunt said the cover would tell us where to put it. That's true. And the cover is about swimming.
Oh, wait! You can't put a book in there.
But you said the cover would tell us where to put it. It's about swimming, so it goes in the water.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry, girls. I should have explained better. I meant the colour of the cover would tell you where to put it.
Oh!
You see, books with the same coloured spines are about the same sort of things, so they belong on the same shelves.
So this red book goes with the other red books.
That's right. All the red books are about sport.
OK, then let's put all the books back in the right places. Ooh, you missed one. Wait for me. Putting books on the shelf. Helping, we love to help. These ones are green.
These ones are red.
Not in the fish tank or they'll get wet. Putting books on the shelf. Helping, we love to help.
Lovely. Everything back where it belongs. Thank you, girls.
Oh, Aunt Alice! Now I know where to find my book about tennis. Here it is on the red shelf, with the books about sport. And Grunty's cake book is down here, with the other books about hobbies.
Well done. Let's take them to the desk and I'll stamp them for you.
I don't know where this book goes. The cover's white, but none of the other books are white.
No, it doesn't go on any of the shelves, Grunty. In fact, it's not even a book.
No. What is it then?
Well, it's something I was saving for when my work was done. And thanks to you girls, that's right now. Look!
It's a box of chocolates! Hooray!
Here you are.
Oh, yum! Thanks, Aunt Alice. It's fun being Librarians! Yes, those! I'm home.
I'm in the kitchen, Miffy dear. We have a visitor.
Ooh!
Oh, yes. That is interesting.
It's Uncle Pilot! Hello, Uncle Pilot.
Hello, Miffy. I've just popped in for a cup of tea.
This is pretty. What is it?
It's one of your Uncle Pilot's maps.
Ooh.
He was just showing it to me.
Maps like this one help me find my way when I'm flying my plane.
Ooh.
All of these maps are of different places your Uncle Pilot has been.
Wow. I'd love to have a map of where I've been.
Well, then you should make one, Miffy.
Can I, Mummy?
What a good idea. I've got a big sketch pad somewhere. Come on then, Miffy.
Bring it back when you're finished. I can't wait to see it.
Here you are.
Ooh, thanks, Mummy. This one. Snuffy. Oh, I wonder who put that there. Uncle Pilot, I finished my map.
Oh, this is excellent, Miffy.
Thank you.
You know, Miffy, sometimes maps like this can be treasure maps.
Treasure maps?
Yes, and I've hidden a very valuable treasure, and you can use your map to find it.
Wow!
May I? There we are. And if you follow my trail, you'll find my treasure.
Oh!
Happy treasure hunting, Miffy.
Oh.
Is something wrong, Miffy?
Uncle Pilot said I could use my map to follow his trail and find his treasure. But I don't know what he means.
Where do you think Uncle Pilot would start his trail?
Well, he was in my house when he said it. And that red circle is just next to my house. Of course! This red circle on my map must be this red balloon. Uncle Pilot left me a trail of balloons to follow.
So, what are you looking for, Miffy?
The next balloon. But I can't see it anywhere.
Well, the red circle was on your map.
Oh, yes. The yellow circle is the next closest. It's at the playground. This way. Right. There it is, the yellow balloon. Oh, no.
It's a good job you've got a map to follow. I don't think you'll be seeing that balloon again.
You're right. Not unless I can fly. The last balloon is near the farm. That's really close. Nothing here. Or here. Excuse me, Mrs. Cow. Have you seen a blue balloon? I think that's a no.
What's wrong, Miffy?
I can't find the last balloon. I think I must have gone wrong.
Oh, you were doing so well. Maybe have another look at the map?
Oh, the blue circle isn't right next to the farm. It's just past it. So, maybe the blue balloon is just past the farm too. Good thing I've got my treasure map. Here it is! The last balloon.
Oh, well done, Miffy. You followed my trail and found my treasure.
Where is it? What's your treasure?
My plane, of course. She's the most precious thing I own. Would you like to take a little trip with me?
Oh, yes, please.
Hold on tight, and here we go.
Wow! The whole village looks like a map from up here. Hello, Mummy.
Take care up there, Miffy.
Hi, Grunty. Hi, Miffy. You're really high, Miffy. Amazing.
Keep your eyes open, Miffy. You never know when you'll find more treasure.
Oh, you were right, Uncle Pilot. Oh.
Hi, Miffy.
Shh. I'm playing hide and seek with Melanie and Grunty.
Oops, sorry.
Coming, ready or not. Oh, Grunty. You're supposed to hide when we're playing hide and seek. I was going to hide behind that bush, but Miffy got there first. Aha! Found you, Miffy. Oh, Grunty. You're not supposed to tell her where I am. OK, your turn to seek, Miffy. And my turn to hide behind that bush. You shouldn't tell everyone where you're going to hide. It makes the game too easy. OK. I'll, hide somewhere else then. 1, 2, 4, 5. Coming, ready or not. Found you, Grunty. Oh, I'm rubbish at hide and seek. I'll give you one more chance, but don't tell me where you're going to hide this time. Thanks, Miffy. I'm going to find the best hiding place ever. 1. She'll never find us this time. 2. This bush is perfect. 3. Oh, no, this one. 4. This one. 5. Coming, ready or not. Oh. Oh, Grunty. I'll give her more time to hide. I'm coming to find you, Melanie. Melanie, where can she be? Behind a bush or up a tree? Huh? No. This one. No.
There you are, Grunty. You said you'd come to Barbara's shop with me.
Sorry, I forgot.
You'd better tell your friends you can't play any more then. Come on.
I have to go with Aunt Puppy now. Bye. Oh. Found you, Melanie. Let's find Grunty. I wonder where she could be hiding. Not here. Grunty, where can she be? Behind a bush or up a tree? Found you! Oh, she's not here. But she was. Look! Then where can she be? We've looked behind all the trees and the bushes. Well, Grunty did say she was going to find the best hiding place ever. We give up, Grunty! You can come out now! I've got an idea. Just copy what I do. Ooh, thank you, Aunt Alice. What a lovely fruit smoothie you made us. Well, it's delicious, isn't it, Melanie? Oh, yes, it's delicious. I do hope there's some left for Grunty. She won't be able to resist a fruit smoothie. There. Now we've got you, Grunty. Oh, it's just Snuffy. Oh, maybe Snuffy knows where Grunty's hiding. Oh, yes. Go on then, Snuffy. Off you go. Ha! Oh, Snuffy just brought us here to get this frisbee for her. Snuffy can always snip out a toy to play with. Ooh, that's given me an idea. Here, Snuffy. Find Grunty. Come on, that way. She can't have come this far. Snuffy won't let us down. Come on. Oh, no. Snuffy's brought us to Barbara's shop. She probably just wants us to buy her a treat. Grunty can't have come this far to hide. Where can she be? Grunty! You're not supposed to go this far to hide. Huh? But I'd stopped playing. I had to come and help Poppy with the shopping. I shouted to tell you. We didn't hear you. Oh. No wonder we couldn't find you. We We looked everywhere. Does this mean I'm the hide-and-seek champion then? Snappy's a winner. She found you hiding all the way out here. And I know what her prize is. Frisbee! Here you go, Sniffy. Oh.
What a colourful bush you found, Miffy.
Yes, the flowers are lovely.
Do they smell as good as they look?
They smell like summer.
Oh my! I didn't know flowers had wings.
Don't be silly. It's not a flower. It's a butterfly.
So it is. How pretty.
Achoo! Oops. Sorry, butterfly. Wait, come back. Butterfly fluttering up in the sky. Butterfly fluttering ever so high. Butterfly fluttering ever so near. Butterfly fluttering. Come back here.
Oh. Oh, yes. Phew. Oh. I wish I had your energy, Miffy.
Oh, hello, Snuffy. I'm trying to catch this butterfly. Will you help me? We have to fly after it. Flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap.
You're the prettiest butterfly I've ever seen, Miffy.
Flap, flap, flap.
Oh.
Oh. Come down, butterfly. You're too high. Oh. Look, Snuffy. The butterfly found a friend. Oh, sorry. It looks like I found a friend too, Snuffy. Sorry I bumped into you. I was chasing a butterfly. Me too. A yellow one. I was chasing a red one. They're so pretty. I know. They're off again. Quick! Butterflies fluttering up in the sky. Butterflies fluttering ever so high. Butterflies fluttering yellow and red. Butterflies fluttering over my head. Come on. Butterfly fluttering round the sun. Butterflies fluttering, chasing his bun. Butterflies fluttering, fluttering free. Butterflies flutter for Miffy and me. Hold on, Melanie. Let's sneak up. Good idea, Miffy. Oh, Snuffy. Quick, there they go. Wait for us, butterflies. I think Daddy needed a rest. So did the butterflies. Look.
Oh, what's that? Achoo!
Oh. Daddy, I nearly caught my butterfly, and now you've scared it off forever.
Oh, I wondered what that was on my nose.
We've been chasing those butterflies for ages.
Oh, I'm sorry, girls, but you shouldn't really try to catch them. They're very delicate, you know.
Oh, but they're such fun to chase.
Oh, I never said you shouldn't chase them. Just don't catch them. You wouldn't want to hurt them, would you?
No. But I can't chase my butterfly now anyway. It's gone.
Well, where did you see it first, Miffy?
Over there.
Well, maybe it's gone back there.
Oh, yes. Good idea. Come on. It was on the bush with the pretty flowers.
Butterflies do like flowers.
You can't make any noise if you want to get close to butterflies. Where exactly did you see it? I was smelling a flower like this. I thought you said we had to be very quiet. Sometimes being very noisy can work too.
Aren't they beautiful?
Like flying flowers. Oh, yes.
Yes, just like flying flowers.
Aren't they pretty? Ooh.
What a lovely shell, Miffy. Are you collecting them?
No, me and Dan are supposed to be having a ride in Boris's boat, but it's broken. There's a hole in the bottom.
Oh dear, that's not good for boats.
No, but we're exploring while we wait. I hope Boris fixes it before Daddy comes to pick us up. Miffy! Look what I found! Oh, what is it? It's a star! It must have fallen out of the sky. Look, it's all pointy. Wow. Are you sure it's a real star? It isn't twinkling like a star. That's because it's fallen down. We need to get it back in the sky so it can twinkle. But how do you get stars back into the sky? Maybe Boris will know. Oh, yes.
1, 2,
Boris!
3.
Come and see! Sorry.
Never mind. Happens all the time.
We've got something exciting to show you, Boris.
Something exciting, eh? Lend me a hand here first, and then I'm all yours. Ow!
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, no. Look. Are you all right, Boris?
Oh, my fault. I should have looked at what I was doing. I'm sure he's nice and friendly when you get to know him.
Maybe.
Now, let's get this boat fixed. A hammer here, a polished hair. You need it building, I'm your bear. I love to make things all day long.
And sometimes Boris gets it wrong.
Making things is so much fun.
Come on, Boris, get it done.
There, good as new.
Yes.
We just need to wait for everything to dry.
Now, while we're waiting, can we show you what we found?
Of course. Lead the way.
Come on, it's over here. Boris, how do you get a star back into
Whoa.
the sky?
Eh? Oh, I can't say I've ever thought about it.
But if you had to.
A catapult, maybe? Or a really long ladder? Why do you ask?
We found a fallen star. We want to get it back in the sky before night time.
Oh, I see.
What's so funny?
Well, this isn't a star. It's a starfish.
It doesn't look like a fish.
There are lots of things that live in the sea that don't look like fish. Some of them look very funny indeed.
So we don't need to get it back in the sky then?
No, but you're right to think we should help get it home.
You mean in the sea?
Exactly. Good job our boat is fixed. Come on.
He's all tickly.
We'll have him home soon enough.
But how will we know where to put him? Oh, I know. We could try and find some other starfish.
Good thinking, Dan.
If you still had a hole in your boat, we'd be able to see through the bottom.
You're right. But if I still had a hole in my boat, we'd get rather wet.
Let's see what we can see in the sea. Look, fish! Blue and yellow and silver. We can almost touch them.
Careful, Dan. We don't want to scare them.
What are they? They're all wobbly.
Those are jellyfish. Starfish are called starfish because they look like stars. Jellyfish are called jellyfish.
Because they look like jelly. This one looks like a horse. Is it a horsefish?
Close, Miffy. It's a seahorse.
Giddy up, seahorse. You're right, Boris. There are lots of funny-looking things under the sea. We've seen lots of creatures in the sea, but none that look like you. Hey, look! There! Lots of starfish! They must be his family!
Then it's time to get him home.
There you go. Bye, starfish. Bye-bye, starfish. Bye-bye. Bye. Thanks for helping us get our star home, Boris.
Oh, that's okay. Speaking of home, it looks like Miffy's daddy is happy to see us.
Hey! Ooh, ow, ow! Hey, help!
Actually, I think he just met your friend, the crab.
Oh, help!
Don't worry, Daddy.
Oh, get off! Oh, ow!
He's nice and friendly when you get to know him.
No! Oh, help!